a wee while ago when I sent that email in February to the registrar, basically all I was doing was that I was requiring, not requesting, I was requiring an address to send an invoice to. To me it's really clear. There's an invoice outstanding, I just want to know who to send it to. Now they're trying to say that they don't have to, according to different acts, that they don't have to pay the public money. Well, I'm not after public money. That Selwyn was there and had jurisdiction over infringements in regards to matters via the police, via me. Now, Charlotte seems to think it was my case. It wasn't my case. It was the police's case. They're the plaintiff. They're the Crown. They're the ones making the claim, not my case. I didn't pay any fee to file it. Not mine. So she's got that fundamental fact wrong. But let's go through it. Now, in her, and I totally appreciate the fact that she's put it through in point 1, point 2, through to point 7. Makes it much easier to respond to. She's put here in point 1 that I refer to your email 8th of February in North Shore District Court Registry, which you request reimbursement of certain expenses. No, I've just got an invoice I'd like to send. You guys are all presuming what's on the invoice, and yet I haven't even sent it out. And this is the response I'm getting. Alright, I haven't even posted out a bill or an invoice yet. And it says that your email has been referred to the Office of Legal Counsel, which is why she's got it. And that's because Dan Brady, who is the chief of the court's mail services, I believe, told all of the staff not to speak to me anymore, and then told me it's been referred to these guys. And all I did was ask for a billing address. The email is right here, and in fact, I'll read it out. It's to Rachel Allen, who is the registrar at the North Shore District Court. Now this is the February 8th email that Charlotte refers to. Hi Rachel, long time no chat. Firstly, I've been trying to ascertain where and who to send the invoice for my attendances with regards to a preliminary and defended hearings with regards to a matter that New Zealand Police had brought against my person who was named as defendant. Doesn't sound confusing there at all. In fact, it's even divulges into more explanation than it needs to be. Okay, so my person was named as a defendant. Not me, just the person. As the others of mankind within the courtroom that day were being paid for their attendance, I believe my time is just as valuable. I did give notice to the MOJ of my fee schedule as well as the NZ Police, evidence of which was entered by the police within their filings. Secondly, a man, not judicial officer, not justice of the peace, a man by the name of Selwyn Hayworth, who acted, in my opinion, without honour at courtroom 4, at courtroom 4 on 19th of May. So even on the email, I'm stating the correct dates, and you can't get that right. Well done, legal counsel. Had authored a document using my personal details, then threatened myself with contempt should I not sign it. I did so at the time without prejudice and under protest and duress. Carl Lewins, via email on the 21st of May, stated that Selwyn and his cohort, Ron Cave, had authored it. Within the document, it states I am ordered to remove my video from my website. This order was completed. However, it incurs a $25 removal fee, which remains outstanding. Selwyn has not responded and is now 60 days overdue with a final reminder due to be posted. Disputes tribunal will follow should he stay in dishonour with regards to his order. As he was acting in part as JP for the North Shore District Court, should I invoice the North Shore District Court instead or as well for this? Okay, but remember, like I said, he had jurisdiction over those matters, over the Land Transport Act and the driver's licence and that shit. Infringement notices. He did not have jurisdiction over myself or my property or what I fucking do with it. So if he wants to issue an order, I don't see him as a judicial officer. I don't see him as justice of the peace. I see him as an equal to myself, another man, giving me an order, And if he's going to expect me to take my property down for fucking free, you can forget it. No cunt out there works for free, and neither will I. And if he wants me to perform and produce, no problem, I will bill. What part of you thick fucking idiots aren't getting this? Moving on. I have his order in writing. He had no authority to issue an order for me to do anything with regards to my property or channel, and his order incurs costs just as anyone would. Was he representing North Shore District Court while issuing this order? Who do I hold liable and invoice? Yourself or Selwyn and Ron, although Ron did not utter it, Selwyn did. He also refused to sign the document he authored, clearly a man without honour or a backbone. Thirdly, I have emailed Carl over the weekend asking him to have Jan Marie, the Chief District Court Judge, contact me with regards to a complaint I have lodged against Selwyn with the Auckland JP Association, then the New Zealand JP Federation, who and Alan Hart has forwarded to Jan. Alan Hart is the Registrar of the New Zealand JP Federation. I have not heard anything for well over 28 days and require an update, or at least some acknowledgement from her office that Alan's referral has been received. Nothing yet. I believe I am entitled to receive some form of acknowledgement. Is this incorrect? As always, Rachel, I wish you good health. Warm regards, me. Alright. This office has also had referred to it a letter you wrote to the Justice of the Peace dated 31st of March. Oh, this one. 31st of March, in which you stated that you will be commencing proceedings against him in disputes tribunal. And the letter reads, our attempts to seek payment for this outstanding amount due have been unsuccessful, and all correspondence has failed to date. Therefore, this shall serve as notice that Selwyn Hayworth of address withheld is now in default of payment. The sum of $25 for the removal of one video from our YouTube channel as per ordered. Legal proceeding will now commence. A claim will be filed against Selwyn Hayworth of address withheld at Disputes Tribunal for the outstanding amount now in default. An additional administration costs of $45 shall also be applicable. No further notice shall be given. Me. With email, contact details. At no time has Selwyn made any attempt to contact me and question me over the invoice. I'm going to write her a point-by-point response in a letter. I'm going to make sure she gets it by tomorrow.